A pressure washer surface cleaner is an essential tool for anyone tackling large, flat surface cleaning jobs. It combines the power of high-pressure water with a rotating mechanism to deliver fast, consistent results across driveways, patios, and other hardscapes. At its core, a pressure washer surface cleaner attaches to a pressure washer, expanding its cleaning capability. Instead of a single jet of water, which can leave streaks and uneven coverage, the surface cleaner uses multiple nozzles arranged in a rotating pattern. As these nozzles spin, they distribute water evenly across the surface, ensuring a smooth, uniform clean. How does it work? A pressure washer generates water at high pressure, usually between 2,000 and 4,000 psi, depending on the machine's specifications. This pressure is the driving force behind the cleaner's power. The surface cleaner features rotating arms or a bar with nozzles that spray water at precise angles. The spinning action of the arms spreads the water in a circular motion, covering a larger area with each pass. The rotating spray pattern not only speeds up the cleaning process, but also ensures that no part of the surface is missed. One of the biggest advantages of using a surface cleaner is the efficiency it brings to large-scale cleaning tasks. Whether you're dealing with a grimy driveway or a weathered wooden deck, the rotating spray head reduces cleaning time significantly compared to using a handheld nozzle. With a surface cleaner, you can cover large sections of concrete, brick, or tile in a fraction of the time. Additionally, the even distribution of water reduces the risk of streaks, which are common when using a traditional nozzle. The surface cleaner's skirt or guard minimizes splashing, allowing for a cleaner working area and less mess. For particularly tough stains, such as oil or mold, a surface cleaner ensures a deeper, more consistent clean by allowing the pressure to lift and remove contaminants from the surface more effectively. While a surface cleaner is ideal for flat surfaces, it might not be suitable for more intricate, uneven, or vertical surfaces. In these cases, a traditional nozzle may still be necessary for detailed work. However, for anyone looking to streamline outdoor cleaning tasks and achieve superior results, a pressure washer surface cleaner is a game-changing tool.